Hi everyone, welcome to the stickier side of crafting, where each month we pull out stickers and try and use them up from our stash, and we try not to buy any more. So I've been really good about not buying any more at like Dollar Tree and places like that, and even and not online, because I found I had them all in a file cabinet in folders. I took them all out because I needed that space for something else, and I filled up like a beach bag sized tote. Plus I have this thing, this plastic bin, which is the ones I pulled out to use this year, which I'm not doing very well at. And then this month, because I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I'm trying to use up products that are retiring. So what I did this time is, and I knew these had stickers in, I had this Flowers for Every Season Memories and More card pack. I also, I don't know if you know it, but Memories and More cards are like Project Life cards in a way. They're Stampin' Up's version of them. Very pretty. Ours are, Stampin' Up's are, and then I also had one of each color. No, I had 4 of these left. I don't think I had any more Bumblebee. I had Cinnamon Cider, Just Jade, Magenta Madness, and Misty Moonlight. So I used them. And then I pulled in some assorted Memories and More cards and envelopes that Stampin' Up! Has to work with these as well. So you can see here, there are 4 sticker sheets in this pack, along with lots of pretty cards. And I was originally going to also pull in some from Dandy Garden. That'll have to be next month probably, so come back and see what I do for that. So I keep my my Memories and More cards in these cases, which you can't get anymore, but these were the old wood stamp cases, and you see Flowers for Every Season M&M card packs, so then they can go on a shelf. So I had the envelopes in here, which are all gone now, the color ones, which were called Flowers for Every Season Memories and More cards and envelopes. And then this was the pack, which I think is still available. I checked it, 153058. Actually, I was going to pull out Boho Indigo, but it's already sold out. It's gone, even the refill kit and the original. So I still have a lot of the 3x4s, and I have a few of the larger cards left as well, and then some scraps, because there are 2 cards in here that you could cut up. So I cut 2 of them up. Well, one of them I had cut up for like holiday time, and one I just cut up now. I used the Yay for Today, Blessed, and oh gosh, I can't even, and Amazing. And you'll see that in a project I made. So the first thing I did, of course, is, and here are the sticker sheets. I used them all. You can, the pieces came out of in here. It looks kind of like there's still stuff there, but there's not. I double checked. They're all gone. Oops. And this one I had actually cut. It was the same as this. There were 2 labels here, and this one had already been used for something else. I think I had only used a couple of these before, like one of the bows, I think, and one of these labels. I don't know. And this one I cut this time, because these labels, I sometimes cut them out to place them on a card design to see how I'd like it. And then this was another one just like this. And I had most of these words left. There were a couple I had used previously, but not too many. And then there's all these little leaves and stuff, which I used up. Alright, so I started with the cards, those 4 color cards. This was the Magenta Madness. This was the sticker. This was a sticker. This was a sticker. This is the retiring stitch nested label dies. And Mother's Day came out of the retiring Well Said. And I really like this set. It was set 2 of 2. And it's all one stamp, Mother's Day. And I did that in Misty Moonlight to match this and to break up the pink a little bit. And then inside I didn't do much. I think nothing on this one and nothing on the envelope. The envelopes came like that. So that was the first one. Second one I used was the Misty Moonlight. Here's the envelope. I did put a sticker on the inside of that one. Nothing on the envelope. This label was a sticker, the bow was a sticker, and this was a sticker. So one of the other things I was trying to do is use up my papers. So this paper was from the Flowers for Every Season 6x6 Designer Series paper, and these are 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. So all you have to do is cut 2 inches off and you have your mat for your card. This one also came out of Flowers for Every Season. This came out of the In Color Designer Series paper for 2019 to 2020. No, I'm sorry, 2020 to 2022. And that color is staying for another year, Misty Moonlight, as is Bumblebee, but this paper is retired. All this paper is retiring. And right now, as of yesterday evening, which would have been the Monday, it would have been Monday the 26th, these were still available. Well, this one, all the Flowers for Every Season stuff was. I don't know if it still is because stuff is going fast. This one has sunflowers on. I put it on the Bumblebee card, and it had this envelope, nothing on the envelope or inside. This is a sticker, this is a sticker, and this is a sticker. And then these are the retiring, I forgot to tell you that on the other one, 2020 to 22 In Color enamel dots. The colors are staying, but these particular dots are retiring, and they'll have something else in the new catalog. Oh, which by the way, I got my customer copy catalog yesterday, the 26th. So if you think you should be getting them, and I know a couple of you have, but you should be getting them soon. Okay, this is a sticker, this is a sticker, this is a sticker, and these 3 little flowers are stickers, and it's Just Be You. I did put a little flower on the envelope there, and 3 little ones. I don't even know if you can see them there. And then I did put a little bit of the retiring ribbon in Cinnamon Cider on that, and that one had Cinnamon Cider background. So I thought that looked well. And then those were the only 4 of those I had left. So I went with the Memories and More. Now I really like these assorted Memories and More cards and envelopes. You get these little ones which fit the 3x4s, and you get these larger ones which fit the 4x6 Memories and More cards on them. So you get a variety. I think you get 10 of each size plus the matching envelope, so 40 pieces altogether. And so I made some big ones. This is a sticker, this is a sticker, this is a sticker, this is a sticker, and I stamped Birthday Wishes. That was out of, one second, Fancy Phrases, I believe. Mostly the stamp sets I used were this one, 4 Season Floral, which is retiring. For the sentiments, and on one card I did use, the next card I'll show you, I used this flower. Here's the Birthday Wishes I used on this one out of Fancy Phrases, which is retiring, and this coordinates with Fancy Tag Topper Punch. I might have used on one of those Happy Mother's Day. No, I didn't. I'm not sure I used Timeless Tulips. I might have. If I did, I'll show it to you. So these are both from the Flowers for Every Season. I think this is what's on the back of this paper, actually. And then inside is blank, and I just put a sticker on the corner of that envelope to match that one. The next one, I went Cinnamon Cider. This paper here, this is from the In Color Designer Series paper that's retiring, that patterns that are retiring. This is Stamped Image that I just showed you from the 4 Season Floral. And these are the Stitch So Sweetly dies, which are carrying over. Misty Moonlight ribbon to break up the Cinnamon Cider a little bit. So what I did on this one is I made a backing of cinnamon cider and then put this on it, so there's just an 1/8 of an inch difference there. These are all stickers, all these leaf stems. This is a sticker, this is a sticker, this little flower is a sticker. I bumped this sticker up on dimensionals and I stamped the For You. That's from the 4-Season Floral stamp set. So that's that one. So that's what, 6 cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards there. And then I wanted to use up the rest of the stickers, and some of them were just not, I wasn't feeling cards for them. Plus I wanted to use some of the Memories and More cards up. Plus I had 4 note card envelopes in Whisper White that I didn't have note cards for. So I'm not sure what happened there, but I had 4 note card size envelopes. They're a different set. You can get them in basic white now, but these were Whisper White. And so I used more Designer Series paper. This was a Memories and More card. This was already on there. I used 3 little flower stickers there and 3 here and more of the enamel dots. Then you open it up, and what I did, it's like a little flip book of sorts. I put the ribbon under the paper on front and back, and yeah, this is more of the designer paper. So in here I made this have a pocket, and I just put a Memories and More card in, and this is a Memories and More card also, Embrace Today, that a note can be written on. I mean, you could put it this way as well, but I liked it with the Embrace Today showing. And then these are stickers here, as are these 2 here. And also I tried using the I did use it twice. I'm not crazy about it, how it wasn't, it looked like it was the right shape, but not quite. It should have been up a little higher on the edges. This is from the new catalog coming out, Basic Border Dies. So it's not quite right for envelopes, in my opinion. But anyway, I used it in 2 places, I think. This one I decided there was a pocket here too, but I glued it down. I made my own pocket with a scrap of this designer paper. These are all stickers, Beautiful and Lovely, and 2 little flowers. And then I just put in Start Fresh, and this has another spot to write on. Sounds like a little memory kind of a book, or a motivational book, I guess. These are stickers here. These are from Memories and More, from Flowers for Every Season, and it's backed on In Color Designer Series paper. So the Misty Moonlight goes with that, and then little leaves and flowers. Those are all stickers, as is the word today. And I put these 2 in here, which have space to write. No stickers on them. This one has a pocket. And this is a sticker. This is out of the Well Written dies that go with that Well Said stamp set that is retiring. So I'm feeling, and I didn't have any more happies, I think, on the, because I used the last one on that card, on the sticker sheets that had happy. So I put happy, feeling happy. And inside, this says wishes, and this is like a wish list then, and then just another card, and there's You Inspire Me is what's on the front as well. And this is the same, this is paper, this is the Memories and More card. It has the same pattern on the back, so I thought that was kind of cool. You could turn it upside down then and hide your wishes. And then here I just made a little downward flip. This is where I cut apart one of those Memories and More cards. I put Yay for Today, and then this was a sticker B, and then this I glued down. So I thought that came out cute. This is in Color Designer Series paper again. This is part of the Flowers for Every Season. Another one of those pieces I cut out from the Memories and More card. 3 little stickers. Here I made a tag with the brand new tailor-made tags, and I used this little bit fancier one over here. And then these are all stickers. This is a cut apart, and I just used some white twine out of the snail twine kit, and then I put in another Memories and More card, You Are My Sunshine. So, and that is my little book, which I'll tie back later. I thought that came out cute. And it used 4 note card size envelopes. You can make an even smaller one with the Memories and More cards and envelopes, and you could have, you know, make it a big one and then have smaller ones inside. That would be a cool idea. But I'm trying to use up some paper. I'm almost out of this paper, but not quite. And then I had one more wishes word. So I brought in birthday out of the well said. I made it birthday wishes. This is a Memories and More card. This is designer series paper, the in color paper, and just white inside. I kind of goofed because I laid this out and then I left my craft room and came back to record this, and I put it together, and I had already cut this because I wanted this to go like up and down here. I ended up turning it into a bow because I forgot to do that with it. And also I think I'm going to put a couple of the pink gems on here. So that is the last sticker, and then I actually made one other card that has no stickers on it, but it has a Memories and More. And this might have been out of Timeless Tulips. Let me see. Yes, I did use that for this, but there's no stickers on here. May the memories of yesterday comfort you today. So just use up some more designer series paper that I thought was very springy and tulips on it, and so that was appropriate there. And I used some bumblebee ribbon and nothing on the inside. And this is on the larger Memories and More card as well. Oops, I'm moving stamps out of my case here. They didn't have it closed tight. Okay, so that is it. This one doesn't count, but these all do. This is a little book. Here's the stickers I used. And I hope you enjoyed that. Something a little different. And if you get Memories and More cards, or, you know, use them for your cards, or make little books with your envelope stash that I'm sure most of you have some kind of an envelope stash going on. So my goal was to use these up, and I did. They're going in the recycle. Boom. And I know this doesn't count, but I'm going to sneak it under here. So please go check everyone else out in the collab and see what they've made. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.